Ribbit, princess, is this your ball? My golden ball, give me my ball. Ribbit, let us live at the palace and be your friend.